Go na.
Hi everyone, my name is Camille Grace Quinto and I will be tackling the definition of numbers and sequences. So first, let us define numbers. What is numbers? A number is an arithmetic value used for representing the quantity and used in making calculations. It is also a basic component of mathematics. It is also used for counting, measuring, keeping things in order, indexing, and etc. So numbers, it is also generally referred to integers which are whole numbers such as positive, negative, or zero. So ang numbers po natin, pwede natin itong pa-identify. It's either positive, negative, or even zero. It is numbers. Next, let us define sequences. Sequences are usually represented by a series of terms, each of which corresponds to a particular position or index in the sequence. A sequence is a list of things, usually numbers, that are in order. It is also a fundamental tool in a number theory. It provides a framework for exploring patterns and relationships between numbers. Um, we have a five we have a four types of sequences such as arithmetic, geometric, Fibonacci, and harmonic sequence. Um, Sequence is an ordered list of numbers, often following a specific pattern on or the rule. Next reporter. Ikay.
Wala. Hmm? Bakit na?
Good day, everyone. Sum and product. The sum is the result of adding two or more numbers. Sa product naman is two or more numbers is the result of multiplying. Ikaw na yun.
Wala.
Present po yung aking Miss Gonzales, please. I-move mo pa dun sa may sum and products din. Isa pa. Hindi. Yan. Hindi na po. Tas 1B. Yan. Sum. Sum refers to the result of adding two or more numbers or terms together. For example, if you have a set of integers in more advanced context, sum can also refer to sum as summing a sequence of terms in a series, such as arithmetic series, geometric series, or infinite series, depending on the structure and context of the numbers is involved. Example is 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. That is a sum. While product refers to the result of multiplying two or more numbers or mathematical objects. Example, 33 times 3 is equal to 99. 33 is the multiplicand, while 3 is the multiplier, and 99 is the product. That's all for my presentations. Thank you po.
Oh my God.
May papresan ngayon sa akin.
Ala. Inas.
So, well-ordering principle. The well-ordering principle is a property of the positive integers, which is equivalent to the statement to the principle of mathematical induction. Every non-empty set S of non-negative integers contains a less element. There is some integer a n s such that a less than or equal b for all b is belonging. Many constructions of the integers take it as an axiom. It is useful in proofs of properties of the integers, including in Fermat's method of infinite descent. Next reporter na po.
Tapos na lahat yung number 1.